If you own the Vitamix Foodcycler, a device that's used to grind up food so that it doesn't smell if you put it in the trash or you might compost it or something, then this is what the filters look like. There's two of them. And when I installed this, especially the replacements, it cost like $25 on Amazon. I noticed that there's some sort of carbon charcoal filter in here, filter media, and it seems like you're just paying for a piece of plastic and maybe 50 cents or a dollar's worth of crap that goes inside it. Well, I was curious, so I looked to see if I can pop open and replace it. Here we go. This is the filter turned upside down. This pops off. Careful with that because I popped it off on the other side of my basement, unfinished side, and that's why this is not full. So, regardless, this is what goes in there. And you can fill it with anything really that you think is going to absorb odors and save yourself some money, but I would use something similar to what's already in there, charcoal, carbon type filters, filter media, and save some money by not purchasing a total replacement of the filters.